What is Himalaya sadhana? This is the question you are asking. Yes, many people have got this doubt. What is Himalaya sadhana? Here we have to know what is Himalaya. What is Himalaya? This Himalaya Bhumi, holy land, Deva Bhumi, Yoga Bhumi, land of gods, land of yogis, land of yogis this is. Here, what we have to do? Which type of sadhana? Sadhana means doing some kriya, chanting some mantra, knowing ourselves, crossing our physical, mental barriers and connecting, trying to connect with God. That is sadhana. So, in Himalaya, when gods are available here, when many yogis are available here, directly, indirectly, what type of sadhana we have to do? In Karma Bhumi, you have to close eyes, you have to sit in Sukhasana, you have to prepare yourself, you have to work to separate the vibrations in a house, in office, in everywhere there will be only karmic vibrations. So there you have to prepare something, you have to do to separate them, you have to work some mantra japa or something. Here you have to keep your all indriyas open. Here you need not close your eyes. Here you need not do any special kriya. You be natural. Let the natural kriyas go on. Allow it. Everything you allow. You be open. You be open. Allow your everything, every part of your body, indriyas, your mind, body, consciousness, buddhi, intellectuality, everything you keep open here. Huh? Because gods are available here. Gods in many forms here. There also God is there in different form. God is everywhere. God is everything. Yes, this is sutra, ultimate sutra. Here also God is there. There very difficult to. Here very easy to realize God, experience God. How? If you keep yourself open. Open mind, open heart, then only we can experience here. So here Himalaya sadhana means just to keep yourself empty, keep open, be ready to recognize, realize, feel. Feeling is required here. Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Only Anahata chakra must be kept open. All other chakras will be there. Let them be there. But you work through your Anahata, your heart chakra. Your heart chakra. Yes. Just to you keep focus on your heart chakra. Feel the feelings. Slowly, slowly, through heart chakra, you keep open your all indriyas, karmendriyas, jnanendriyas, everything you keep open, try to see slowly, slowly, happy. You sit, just witness the moment, witness the nature, witness everything as if God is standing in front of you. As if God is standing in front of you in the form of trees, in the form of leaves, in the form of mountains. Yes. This place where I am sitting now is wonderful, divine land in Uttarakhand, where Jesus, Nanak, many yogis, Lahiri Mahasay, Mahavatar Babaji, many yogis came here, stayed here. They did their tapasya and installed energy here. Whoever comes here need not do, just feel the touch, hold the tree, hug the tree, hug the plants, hug the land, hug yourself. Yes, hug. Yes, hug. Feel it. You are getting the showers from God here. Dronagiri Parvat, where Lahiri Mahasay given Kriya Yoga Diksha. Yes, here. Even now, Aswatthama is living here. This sort of land, when we came to this land, what to do? Nothing to do. Be natural. Be happy. Be lovingly. Become love. Nature is love. I love you. I love universe. You means universe. That is you and me and everything, everybody, everything. Yes, I love you. Thank you. Happy in Himalaya. Be prepared to undo the things. Be natural. Be happy. Thank you. I love you. Happy. Hari Om. Om Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Sai Ram. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Om. Jai Ho.